Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahmat Agung Arifin. I'm from TBIC. I will make video. Uh, Here is the analysis of the book. When English book uh, rings a bell for grade uh, age junior high school based on the Cunningsworth Tomlinson framework. Number one, suitability of grade and content. This book is designed for grade age student with a text-based approach, suitable for teenagers development stage, is integrates for language skill, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. In everyday context, for instance, the first chapter teach student how to introduce themselves, get attention, and show appreciation. The themes and activities align with the 2013 curriculum emphasizing communication skill. Number two, social and cultural values. The book is rich in Indonesian social and cultural value, such as highlighting the importance of cooperation, respecting elder, and maintaining cleanliness. For example, in the chapter about Basi Road, students are encouraged to understand the importance of traffic discipline as part of community life. Some effectives also inspire students to care for the environment, such as keeping areas clean and planting trees. Number two, method and assessment strategies. The approach used is the communicative approach, featuring group-based activities like role playing, discussion, and presentation in the class. Assessment is performed based including creating a greeting cards, describing animal, and writing learning, reflection, and journals. The strategy promotes active and collaborative learning while preparing students for real-life communication scenario. For language future, reading the book includes simple authentic text suitable for student level such as animal description, school rules, and song lyrics. Heal the word. Reading activities are often followed by comprehension question and content analysis. Grammar. Grammar is taught contextually, such as the use of can and cannot in the chapter about abilities, and there is or are in descriptive chapter. Vocabulary. The focus in practical vocabulary used in daily lives, such as word relate to introduction, transformation, and routines. Number five, cultural sensitivity. The book emphasizes Indonesian culture through illustration, stories, and activities reflecting daily life in Indonesia. For example, students are text with describing the condition of road in public transportation in their surrounding. However, global cultural elements are also include, such as the heal the world lyric to foster global awareness. Number six, material presentation. The material presentation is engaging with colorful illustration. The support learning instructions are cinematic and straightforward, making them easy for students to understand. Learning activities often start with observation, discussion, and conclude with creative tasks like role playing or group project. Uh, Additionally, the book includes a reflection space at the enhanced as chapter to encourage students to evaluate their learning process. Okay, next, number seven, strengths and weakness strengths. A relevant communicative approach that promotes practical skill, strong integration of social and cultural values, creative activities, the encourage student parti- participation, participation. Weakness, limited presentation of global cultures, reducing exposure to international diversity, lacks a deeper focus on pronunciation and essential element in learning English. Okay, here here are the I'm will explain for specific point of the book when English rings a bell relevant to the discussion on top. I will match the contents of the book with the point of the analysis that have been made. Number one, adaptability or and content of books. Fill in the books early chapter likes its English time teach basic communication skill such as introducing themselves, asking for attention, and expressing opinions. Student activity is directed at an early middle income level. For example, repeating a simple dialogue, playing role, and structuring sentences based on the interaction. Discussion. This book is appropriate for class age student because its activities focus on everyday language that is relevant to the age of teenagers, such as introduction, expressing opinion, and inviting friends. Number two, social and cultural values. Fill in the book chapter Our Busy Roads. Teachers study to understand crowded road condition, the importance of discipline and maintaining environmental hygiene. Chapter my uncle Next chapter, my uncle is a zookeeper. Provide knowledge about nature and encourages students to care about animal. For discussion, this book is very rich in Indonesian cultural values such as mutual cooperation, respecting the environment, and social discipline. It also helps students value local and global values. Number three, scoring method and strategies. Fill in the book. Each chapter use text a learning approach. Text-based learning, for example, make greeting cards. I'm so happy for you. Discussing school rules. We know we know what to do. Reflection learners at the end of the chapter ask students to write what has been learned and what still needs to be repaired. Discussion. This method is a very communicative and sport activities learning where students engage in dialogue, discussion, and independent reflection. Okay, next, number four, language future. Fill in the book chapter, we can do it and we will do it. We can do it and we will do it. Emphasize the use of grammar such as can or cannot. To express skill uh, for our bushy roads. Use the structure are to describe the object around. For this question, this book effectively teach grammar and vocabulary through simple and relevant context, such as in instrumental description and abilities. 5. Cultural sensitivity. Fill in the book songs heal the world is integrated to teach students about the importance of global love and care. Activity describe the condition of the highway, so the relationship with the daily lives of students in Indonesia. For discussion, this book not only teach local values but also connects students with global issues. Although other international cultural elements are still limited. Number 6, material serving. Fill in the book illustration like student character picture. Help create an emotional connection with student. Activities are arranged in clear steps such as listening to the teacher read the dialogue. Number two, repeat the dialogue in turn. Number three, playing roles. for discussion. The presentation of this book supports student understanding with clear and interesting learning measure. 7. Strength and weakness. Strength in the book. Many collaborative activities like group discussion and play rules. For reflection, at the end of the chapter, encourage students to evaluate their learning. Weakness in the book focus on the pronunciation is still very minimal. For example, no activity emphasizes to intonation of pronunciation of word in depth. The representation of international culture beyond global themes such as heal the world is still lacking. Okay, thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.